Hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Tech Talk 1523. Getting my recorder into my Zoom because if you are a Nerdly client, you are actually able to be live in Zoom with me and actually seeing how things work behind the scenes, from getting the live stream going and all the fun hiccups that happen along the way. So if you are trying to see the behind the scenes and how all this awesome stuff works, then you should definitely be hanging out in the Nerdly world. And just so you guys on Zoom know, no, nobody can see you because you guys are on a completely different monitor. So you are seeing what the entirety of my main desktop. And the only thing that is live that the rest of the internet can see is my actual, so you're seeing it. So, all right. So, here we go. All right. So today we're going to be diving into the future of everyone's business. It's AI, right? We're talking about why now is the time to leverage AI in your business, and specifically how the HighLevel AI employee can transform the way we work. And here's the kicker, folks, right? It's absolutely free until the end of 2024. That's right. It is 100% free. That's why this is the season of AI, and we're here to help you make the most of it. All right. So think about how much time you spend on repetitive tasks like lead nurturing, writing emails, scheduling appointments, following up with clients, responding to inbound messages. Imagine what it would be like to have an AI assistant handling all of that 24/7, no breaks and no mistakes. Right? Like, how great is that? You're out at Thanksgiving with your family, eating your fill on turkey and stuffing. And if someone calls you or messages in and has a question, they're getting an immediate response, right? That means your clients are getting that white glove experience without you having to be there. The HighLevel AI employee gives you just that. It automates your workflows, engages with leads across multiple platforms, and ensures every client feels like a VIP. This is your chance to work smarter, not harder. So let me know in the comments, how much would that change your business if you had someone answering phones, if someone messages in on Facebook, Instagram, text message, email, WhatsApp, or any of those platforms, right? If you have someone answering your clients, your prospects 24/7, you have someone message in from your website and they're able to book an appointment for you, how much would that change your life? How much would you pay for that, right? How much would you pay to have an assistant working 24/7, right? Like, that's what I'm talking about, folks. I want you to really wrap your head around this because it took me a minute, right? So I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys enough context and different use cases so you could see what you could do with this, right? And I know what some of you may be thinking. This sounds complicated. I'm not a tech person. And trust me, you don't have to be. We're going to be showing you how simple it is, especially with the Nerdly's AI copywriter, which we're going to be pushing out to everyone's account right after this call. And right after this live session, if folks want to tune in, assuming I'm not double committing myself, but if folks want to hop on Zoom, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, if you guys want to hop in Zoom, if you are a Nerdly client, I will hang out in Zoom until like 1:15ish, right? So if you want to pop in, we'll after this live is over, I'll make sure that we hold some space to help you guys get this going, right? So now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. Let's get into the how. Because with HeyLevi, you can create a custom AI employee that knows your voice, your business, and your goals, right? So here's how simple it is. So you ready? We're going to do this together. So if you are with me, go ahead and open up your Nerdly account, right? Let me actually, real quick, turn on privacy mode. Okay, cool. Yay. Before I show client information, let's not do that. No, Siri, no one was talking to you. Please go away. Okay. So let me pull this up over here. All right. So we're going to open up our system, right? So our AI copywriter, I will make sure this gets pushed out to everyone today. I want to give you guys a demo of it. We are going to be offering a Black Friday special with this so that you can have access to this at a super discount. Like, look at this. I also updated our branding a little bit. What do you think about that gold? Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? It adds a little zhuzh boom because it's, although we do have trust, innovation. We'll see. But we did repeat it. Otherwise, it was trust, innovation. Anyhow, so we're going to come into HeyLevi, which we already did another training on how to set this up. So if you want to learn how to do the setup for this, comment setup, right? So this way, let it just comment something like set up my AI. And this, or set up HeyLevi, right? And we'll make sure to get you that training. And if you need to book a Nerd Herd session, we can get that done for you. I definitely already did a open office around that. Okay.
Hey, Colleen, real quick, I'm not seeing you live in the Facebook group. I've been refreshing it constantly.
Oh my gosh. I forgot to hit the button over here.
Okay, sorry.
Cool. It's fine. It's fine. We'll see how this goes. Okay, cool. So we're gonna, okay, well, Facebook, you're a little bit behind. My bad. I'll post the rest of that. But TLDR, we're digging into setting up our AI employee. And right now, you guys are going to get, because of the season of AI, you're going to get your AI employee for free through the end of the year, right? It's not going to be scary. I promise. You're going to have someone available 24/7. By the way, and by someone, I mean your AI employee can book calls, take messages, anything that you want done. Like, it will be able to trigger workflows, follow-ups, all of that. So I want you to think about how much would you pay to have someone available in your business 24/7 to book calls, take calls, talk to leads, how about answering a client question, right? All of that is available through your AI employee. So, and if you're a Nerdly person, we're going to have the whole training into the Nerdly community, but we do have a bunch of people on Zoom, so I want to make sure we get into the meat and potatoes, right? Where was I? All right. So now I got a screen share over here. All right. Yeah. Okay, great. So now we are seeing the screen. So now we're in our HeyLevi inside Nerdly. So we're going to open up our Nerdly dashboard. If you're trying to do this with us right now, you will not have this button. You will have it as soon as this call is over, though. And we are going to be having a Black Friday offer where you can get HeyLevi for $50 a month for a year commit. After that, it's going to go to $75 a month for an annual commit. Because this thing is magical. All right. So we're going to go into here. We're going to go into we've already built this out. If you have not built this out already, we have another training for you. So we're going to come over to Brainstorm AI, right? And we're going to start a new one. We're going to use the brand playbook. And we are, we're going to go down to the Nerdly SaaS, right? And so you could use any of your products. And for those of you who aren't sure what a product playbook is you can use this for every product. So here's our AI copywriter, acquire through automations, right? So that is our one of the courses we have. Automated onboarding advantage is another course. Express setup, group track, high level integration. Oh, I opened it. Let me close that. Social automations course. So you could put every product, every course, every service that you sell as a product and then come over into here and go into whether you want to do it. And now any of these other things. So, but today we're going to brainstorm AI. So we're going to use our brand playbook, and we're going to do this for the Nerdly SaaS. All right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a prompt, right? So using the brand playbook, it knows our pillars, it knows our avatar, and and it knows everything about our business, our brand messaging, our positioning, our voice. Using the product playbook, it knows the actual product we're talking about. So now I'm going to take this prompt, right? And so what this is, write me a set of instructions for my voice bot, please. This bot answers calls from prospects and customers for my business and should reflect my unique personality. Understand my brand's core value propositions and offers, customer avatar needs, and how we are differentiated from our competitors in the market. Please include all the context my voice bot will need on my brand, my offers, my customer avatars, unique value propositions, competitor differentiation, and unique brand personality. Do not mention any actual names of people or personas. Your output should be the instructions only without any explanation or filter. Right? So we're going to take this, and this is available for any Nerdly clients. We have this ready for you guys. I'm excited. We're actually working on we actually might be taking our AI employee and replacing our current AI help bot. All right. So look at all of this, right? So we're going to copy this. And then we're going to go into our AI employee. We're going to go into season of AI. We're going to go to the voice AI. So I had already created Samantha. Well, you just create an agent, right? You'll name it. You put the business in. And then you'll be able to put you just hit next, right? So I'm just going to, go into Samantha, right? Ooh, look at that, coming soon. Outbound calls. How would you like your AI employee to call businesses for you? You know, as much as I hate the idea of having AI do that, but businesses are already doing that, right? Here we go. I forget. I'm just gonna see. Do I put this up here?
Yes.
All right. I know I put it in here. I just want to ensure the order of operation. So where did it go? Hold on. Where's my AI copywriter? Let's try this again. So we're going to go into Samantha. We're going to click edit. We're going to say agent goals. And here we go. So or does that go under? There we go. Let's just, whatever, we're going to go with it. So right now, we don't really have any other fields in here. So we have update contact fields because we can extract their email and we can extract their name, right? Because we want to know their name and their email. And then, hold on, cancel here. What I do want to also make sure is that I'm extracting their phone number. Let's try that. Extract phone. Oh, you know what? We don't need to do that because this is voice AI, so it's already going to have that. Derp. Because it's not asking it because you already got it. So right now, what I'll do is send an email to post call completion to the Nerdly support team. So that's going to go to our support inbox. You can have it go to a specific email. Like, actually, this will be fun. So this is a group email that I'll actually send to everyone on my team. So that'll be fun. You can also decide, do you want to do a call transfer, right? Like, so you'll name it, you'll put in the phone number and what are the requirements, right? And what to say when transferring. You can also trigger a workflow, meaning like if they're ready to book an appointment, or if you can send a follow-up SMS as well, right? So I'll dig into this because I would love to do like an SMS recap of what they called in about. So we're going to click save. All right. So now we are going to test this out. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff in the chat. Oh, yes. I know you guys could see my Google Doc. That was kind of the point. You're in here. You get to see behind the scenes just how step by step I make this for me. Yes, Lisa, HeyLevi brings in all the context, right? That is the thing. HeyLevi is freaking magical, right? That is what it is. 775 1523. Right? Because otherwise you're going to have to write like a 6-page prompt. Let me make sure I'm sharing sound.
Will be recorded for quality purposes.
Oh, well, maybe I need to turn off that.
Hey, you have reached Nerdly. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to know more about what Nerdly does.
Sure thing. Nerdly is all about making business operations smoother. We offer an Alanoni platform that helps manage everything from social media automation to integrating existing tools, so you can focus more on your clients. Is there a specific area you're interested in?
Yeah. Can I automate my Instagram and Facebook comments and reply to people who engage on my social media?
Absolutely. Our platform can help automate responses to comments and engagements on Instagram and Facebook, making it easier for you to stay connected with your audience. Would you like to set up a demo to see how it works?
Yeah, I would love a demo.
Great. Let's get you set up. Could I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Colleen.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Colleen. Is that correct?
It sure is.
Awesome, Colleen. Could you also provide your email address so we can send you the demo details?
Yeah, Colleen@nerdly.io.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is colleen@nerdly.io. Is that correct?
Yep.
Perfect. We'll get you all set up for the demo. Thanks for reaching out, Colleen. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Yeah, I have another question.
Of course. What's your question?
Can I schedule posts on multiple platforms? And what platforms do you integrate with for social media posting?
Yes, you can schedule posts on multiple platforms with Nerdly. We integrate with popular social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Is there a specific platform you're interested in?
Yeah, can I schedule posts to Pinterest and TikTok?
Currently, we don't support scheduling posts to Pinterest and TikTok. However, we're always looking to expand our integrations.
All right, I need to update that because it does. Okay, great. Awesome. Can I have additional users on my account?
Yes, you can definitely add additional users to your account. This way, your team can collaborate and manage tasks together. Need help with anything else?
Does Nerdly have done-for-you solutions or courses?
Yes, Nerdly offers both DIY and done-for-you solutions, providing flexibility based on your needs. We also have courses to help you get the most out of our platform. Would you like more details on any specific service?
Yeah, do you have like an express setup situation?
Yes, we do offer an express setup to get you up and running quickly. It's designed to make the onboarding process smooth and efficient. Would you like assistance with setting that up?
Yes. I'm curious where this is going to go.
Great. We'll make sure the express setup is seamless for you. I'll have a team member reach out to guide you through the process. Anything else you're curious about?
No, that sounds great. Thank you.
You're welcome, Colleen. Thanks for reaching out.
Can
If
you
you
shoot
have
me
more
a
questions,
recap of our call?
sure thing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a fantastic day, Colleen.
Bye-bye. So, how would you like someone to be able to answer your calls like that? Right? Like, how amazing, folks. Like, really. She just was selling my product for me. She answered questions that like, let's be real, folks. If you know me, you know I would have dove down a rabbit hole about some gobbledygook or whatever because I would be excited about it. Right? Oh, yeah, Elizabeth, exactly. She let herself be interrupted. All right. Have you ever talked to someone with the Riz of the Tiz about their special interest? We're not going to let you get a word in edgewise. We're going to just keep going and going. Right? That took 2 seconds for me to set up. Right? Then all you need is people to send you to start calling you, to send you DMs. Right? The next thing is set up the same thing, but for messaging. I mean, would you have been pressed about that, Bridget? No, that sounded like a person. I mean, because I know it definitely seems more like, oh, in the conversation panel, let's go see. Oh, wait, actually, let me go make sure I'm actually sharing my screen. Let's go here. And look at this. Let's go to all messages. Here we go. Let me get rid of the phone. Nah. Here we go. How cool is that? A whole transcript of the call, caller's number called, agent name, and you can have multiple agents. No, it doesn't announce that they're interacting with AI. There's no reason you have to. What it did announce is that the call is being recorded. But at this point, since we're going to have the AI transcript, we don't need to record the calls. Right? Are you guys seeing the awesomeness of this? Like, can you guys see how you could use this and how it would absolutely transform your business? Right? Like, this is next level stuff. So, if you guys are a Nerdly client and you want to pop on to Zoom, we'll help you get this set up. I've got about a half hour available and we can nerd out. So pop on to the Nerdly Zoom and we will help you get your AI employee set up because this is free. FREE until the end of the year. All right. I will catch you later, folks. Later, nerds.